Welcome to the CFD Training Strategy Robo 1 video. In this video, you are going to learn why this easy-to-implement strategy can truly make a difference when you are trading. This video is sweet, short and to the point, so you can better understand how to correctly use this trading strategy for consistent profits. Firstly, we named this CFD trading strategy Robo 1, since it is basically a mechanic trading method that enables fully emotion-free approach. The Robo 1 CFD trading strategy is executed during the day. Now, why does this strategy work better with CFDs? Simple. It is because it trades both long and short, and instead of having stop exits, it uses a reverse position. Now, you are probably asking yourself, what is reverse position, right? Easy. This means that if you are long, then you would switch and immediately trade short. Or on the other hand, if you are short, then you would switch to long. With the Robo 1 CFD trading strategy, you do not need an exit stop. You only need simple directional changes by having an order size that is double. This is a practical example. Just imagine that you are long 1 CFD. So instead of having a stop of 1 CFD, you simply sell 2 CFDs. This way, you would only be short 1 CFD. The beauty of this system and the reason it is so effective is that it is running all the time. Remember, the Robo system is used mainly for share CFDs. It trades both sides of the market, long and short. The trades can last from 1 day up to 10 days, but keep in mind that 3 days is usually the ideal time frame. When joining the Trading Lounge, we will provide you the exact prices for the trade, the entry and reverse order that will allow you to have an unfair advantage over other struggling traders. The reverse order will be precisely updated each day before the market opens, and if there are any changes in the trades, we will inform you about them. Also, you will be receiving trading notes on regular basis. The CFD trading strategy Robo 1 is a plug-and-play system which can be easily implemented and does not require you to be a slave to the monitor 24/7. It is perfect for those who do not have a lot of time and also for those who do not want to spend countless hours trading. All you have to do is place the orders each day before the market opens with your broker, make adjustments based on our signals and reports, and you are good to go.
We are glad to provide a brief overview of Forex for You's order execution system based on MetaTrader 4. Part 1. Data feeds. Quotes arrive in real time from liquidity providers using specialized software, a bridge. Part 2. Prices. 2 pricing policies are used. Depending on the server type, quotes are either rounded to the nearest point, pip, and then a fixed spread is applied, or original quotes from the liquidity providers are used, with variable spread that includes Forex for You's additional spread. Part 3. Deal queue. Servers receive queues of client deals, both deals for instant execution and pending orders, as well as requests for order modification. Part 4. 2 types of execution. There are 2 types of order execution available. Depending on the server, one of the following types are used: dealing desk execution, DDE, or no dealing desk execution, NDDE. In case of DDE execution, dealing desk may use the difference between the liquidity provider's quote and the instant execution order's price for the benefit margin of broker, and only then execute the order. Therefore, there are delays due to situation analysis carried out by the dealers. First type of pricing policy with fixed spreads is used for DDE execution. In the case of NDDE execution types, orders with instant execution are processed in less than a second, without any interference of dealers. Broker's commission is added. Second type of pricing policy with variable spreads is used for NDDE execution. And now we would like to explain how the order execution time depends on server type at Forex for You. There are 4 trading servers used for DDE execution at Forex for You, and the load is distributed according to the average client lot size. The junior trading server accepts orders from 0.0001 lots, while the senior one from 0.1 lots. Please note that if a server is one step higher than another one, it means both the minimum and the maximum lot sizes are 10 times higher. The more the server is junior, the bigger the deal queue, and therefore the higher the average order execution time. On the contrary, the higher the status of the server, the lower the average order execution time and server load. In other words, junior servers provide more affordable trading, while senior servers offer greater service level. For NDDE execution, Forex4U uses 2 servers with similar approach.
Hello, this is Kirill from forexpert.com and welcome to the 4th tutorial in our series of tutorials on testing and optimization in MetaTrader 4. Last time we talked about backtesting and we conducted our very own first backtest in the MetaTrader 4 trading platform. Today we're going to discuss expert properties. As you can see here, I have the MetaTrader 4 platform open in front of me. At the bottom I have the tester strategy tester window open. Now what we're going to do is we're going to just select any expert advisor of the available ones, and we'll just click this button up here, expert properties. So these are the expert properties, the expert properties settings window, and it has 3 tabs. Right away I'll mention that we won't be talking about the optimization tab today. We'll be talking about optimization parameters in one of the future tutorials in this course. Today we're going to be talking about these 2 tabs. In the testing tab, you can see some controls which are responsible for the overall test parameters. So they're not specific to the expert advisor. You'll see these controls. You'll see that these controls are the same regardless of which expert advisor you're testing. And here you can set the starting deposit, which means the balance on your account at the start of the test, the account currency, and usually people set the account currency to match the currency on their actual real live trading account. And you can also set which kind of positions you want your Forex robot to be able to open. So regardless of the algorithm which is built into your trading system, you can restrict the Forex robot from opening say sell orders, and that way if you choose long only, the trading strategy will be restricted to opening only buy orders, or on the other hand you can restrict it to opening only sell orders by selecting short only. Normally this is rarely used and people tend to stick to both long and short, but in some circumstances this control might come in handy, so it's good to know that it's there. So we'll leave this at long and short. Once again, we won't be talking about optimization in this tutorial, so we'll skip this section over here. And now we'll go to the inputs. And the inputs is the main tab of the expert properties window. What these inputs mean is certain controls that you as a trader can change or to adjust the behavior of the Forex robot that you're back testing. And these are the same controls that you will see when you launch an expert advisor on your chart to actually trade. You will see these same controls, and therefore it kind of matches up. So depending on your back test, depending on the settings that you set here, and if you're happy with them, then you can set the same settings in your real when you're trading your real account with that expert advisor. And why would you want to adjust the behavior of the expert advisor? Well, because first of all, you might want to have different presets for different financial instruments or periods, meaning time frames. And that is essential because different financial instruments behave differently, and therefore expert advisors would trade them differently. Also, with time, you might need to change the settings of your expert advisor, or you might have different preferences. For example, here you can see a lots parameter and a maximum risk parameter, which are responsible for the amount of money that the expert advisor trades. So therefore you could adjust this to cater for your risk averseness, your specific risk averseness. Different people would have different levels of risk tolerance. I've prepared a short presentation on expert properties. Let's quickly have a look at that. So you have an expert advisor which you want to conduct a back test for. Usually the expert advisor comes with a user guide or an instruction manual if it's a purchased expert advisor, or if it's something that you developed yourself, then you will know already what the expert properties mean. That is very handy because based on the instruction manual or your intrinsic knowledge of the expert advisor, you can knowingly set these expert properties to certain values, and you will either get unprofitable results like these two, or if you set the parameters correctly, if you pick the right parameters, you can get profitable results. And that's essentially what we're aiming for. In this course, we'll assume that we have an expert advisor and that we have knowledge of the parameters that we need to set, and we'll be aiming to optimize or find the right parameters that will give us profitable results, and therefore that will warrant using these expert advisors on our demo accounts or even hypothetically real accounts for trading. Of course, with these pre-packaged expert advisors, moving average and MACD sample, it's quite difficult to get profitable results. But throughout this course, we will be working with a proprietary algorithmic trading system, which I will introduce to you in the next section of the course. With that system, we will look for profitable results and hopefully we'll find them. So let's just go ahead and look at this chart. This is the chart we got after our backtest in the previous tutorial for the moving average indicator expert advisor. And now if we change some of the settings here, the chart should change. So let's go ahead and quickly have a look at that. So if we change the moving period to 24, moving shift to 0, for example, lots to 0.5, and then we launch our expert advisor now, you'll notice that the chart looks different. And even though it's still not profitable, that proves the point that we do have control over how the trades are conducted and when the expert advisor enters the market and with what volume of currency. So that's basically the essence of what expert properties are. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you are watching on YouTube, do subscribe to the channel so you can get updated of new free tutorials that I post. I look forward to seeing you at the next tutorial. Until then, happy trading.
Hello everybody, and welcome to another live trading example with using the FX 180 degrees trading system. And I'm going to enter the market here with the setup. After we have the candle right in here that showed us we can start looking for setups. So I'm going to go ahead and enter the market. So we're in the market, and now we can place our stop loss and our targets. So I'll quickly do that and I'll keep you posted on as the trade goes along. Hello everybody, it's me again, just to bring you to update on where this trade is. This trade has moved nicely in our favor, and you can see we have plotted in here our stop loss. Up target is a bit down. Here we have this purple line, which is my indication to break even. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now, and I'll keep you posted as the trade goes along. Hello everybody, just to bring you a quick update on the trade. As you can see, I've moved my stop loss to break even, so this is now officially a risk-free trade. As you can see, we moved this to break even right after we had the tag of this candle right here, and so we're still in this trade. I'm still gunning for the target I set right here, so I'll keep you posted on the trade and chat to you again. Hello everybody, welcome back. It's me again. As you can see, the trade is moving very nicely in our favor. We're still at break even here, and we're still gunning for this target I've set right over here, and it's very close to hitting it now. There you can see the candle just closed, the next candle just opened, and we hope to hit this target in the next few seconds. So I'll chat to you again. Cheers for now. Hi and welcome back everybody. As you can see, it's just hit the target now. So a very nice trade we had in here for approximately half an hour, maybe a bit more. We entered here on this candle. We had a break-even marker set right here at this purple line. We moved to break even after we had the stack of this candle right in here, and then after that the market just dropped down nicely to our target, and now continues to drop down, but a nice 2-to-1 win ratio, so a very good trade. And I'll be back with more trading examples. Cheers for now.